Hello guys, so today's vlog, it's a quick vlog and we will do an answer regarding one of the comments for our video from DJI RS3 Mini connect to the R50. Actually, if you go to the DJI website, is the EOS R50 is still not in the list. But still, we will try to connect the DJI RS3 Mini via Bluetooth with the EOS R50. And let's see if it will work via Bluetooth for the connection. And let's try. Again, shout out to Matias Mela 8741. So he asked regarding, do you think that at some point with some update it will be 100% compatible? I would like to buy it, he said, regarding for the DJI RS3 Mini with the Canon R50. So again guys, let's connect the R50 via Bluetooth and let's try if it will work perfect with the RS3 Mini. We did already a balance. It's perfect. We can balance. But on this vlog, we'll do Bluetooth connection with the RS3 Mini and the Canon EOS R50. Yan guys. But again, before anything else guys, if you like if you like photography, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So, without further ado guys, let's start. I already balanced the camera. Make sure that the lens which is 45, no, it's 18 millimeter or 45, it's more wider. Yeah, just turn on the camera. First, turn on the camera, turn on the stabilizer. Now, go with the stabilizer, DJI, okay? Then swipe down, then connect via Bluetooth, confirm, not available. Now go with the camera, go to the menu, and go with the connection settings, yeah, with the arrow. Go with the second one, connect to wireless remote. So press OK, add device, waiting for pairing. And here in the DJI RS3 Mini menu, you can see the EOS R50. Just, okay, connect the target not found. Okay, let's try again. Add, sorry, okay, pairing, let's wait for the pairing. And it's showing here paired with DJI RS3 Mini. Then hit OK. Now we are paired in the DJI Bluetooth connection confirmed. Now you can see here it's blue, it's connect to the DJI RS3. Now let's try to take a record button if this is work. If we if when we put the record button it working, that meaning it's fine. So let's try. And I have a memory card, touchscreen to cancel. Oh no. Record button. White touchscreen. Okay. Yeah, it's recording. See? Now I have a perfect record. DJI RS3 Mini. Perfect connection via Canon R50 connect to the DJI RS3 Mini. Movie recording stop because maybe my memory. But again, see, it's perfect guys. Card full, that's why. Again guys, I tried already and let's make some format. Let's try to record again. Hit the record button. And it's record. I think it's in the timer. That's why I'm the timer mode. But yeah, guys, it's working perfect. Stop, and I can stop. I think I'm in the let's check here. I'm on the timer. I need to turn off the timer. See when I take a video, and it's working perfect. So again, guys, the record button is perfectly working on the EOS R50 Canon, and yeah, you can use the record button via Bluetooth and connect your R50. So I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope I answer your question. Is Matias Mela 8741. So shout out to you. And yeah, it's working perfect. The R50 with the RS3 Mini via Bluetooth, and you can play the record button and yeah, it's fine guys. I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Again, if you want to, if you have any question regarding photography, I will try to make a video or vlog on that question. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two products, you can visit our website. Again, the Canon R50 and the Canon R50 and the DJI RS3 Mini. You can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.